Okay, hello everyone. But today we are going to start with the dimensional analysis. We are discussing the uses of dimensional analysis, and I think one question I have given you, but nobody of you have shown me that question. So I have taken that question also. Okay, that in that question, what we have to do, we have to convert this urge to joules. Urge को joules में convert करना है. And one more question we have taken. The pressure is given to us this much. What we have to do, we have to convert its value in SI units. So SI units में उसको क्या करना है, तुमने convert करना है. So now starting with these two questions, let us start with the first question. So first question करना क्या है, we have to convert urge को convert करना है किसमें, joules में. And you know that joule क्या है, joule is the unit of work we can say, or we can say energy. And work means F into d, force into displacement. And if I want to find out the dimension, the dimension of this Fd will be, the dimension of force will be m l t minus 2, and dimension of d means l only. So I am getting m l 2 t minus 2. This is the dimension of force. It means that value of A equals to how much? Value of A equals to 1. Similarly, value of B equals to how much? 2. And value of C equals to how much? Minus 2. So these are the values which we are having. The value of N1 means that we are talking about system 1. System 1 के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. System 1 we are talking about, so that means the value of N1 equals to 1 only. And when we talk about the system 2, that means N2 we have to find. N2 की वैल्यू मुझे फाइंड आउट करनी है. We know the law क्या है वो, it is N1 U1 equals to N2 U2, and from here the value of N2 equals to N1 U1 upon U2. Okay, now put the units here. So N1 की वैल्यू कितनी है बच्चे, N1 की वैल्यू है 1, so we have written 1 here. U1 means say M1, पहले लिख लो थोड़ा सा, और M1 M2, then we have L1 L2, and then we have T1 T2, and its value is A, इसकी B है, और ये क्या है, C है. Okay, now after this write down the values here. So N1 की वैल्यू तो ऑलरेडी मैंने 1 लिख दी है, so the value is 1. And what about M1? So urge means के in CGS unit, CGS को convert करना है किसमें, SI में, और we can say we have to convert that into MKS system. So MKS system में convert करने के लिए क्या करोगे, urge means mass means kg grams को किसमें convert करना है, kg में convert करना है. So that means 10 की power minus 3 kg upon kg. Then we have L1 means how much, L1 means 10 की power minus 2 meter we can say, upon meter we can say. And T1 means secondary है और secondary है, and value of A is here is how much, the value of A we have find it, the value of A is 1, value of B is how much, it is 4, and value of C is how much, minus 2. So kg gone, meter gone, second gone. So we are left with how much, 10 की power minus 3, 10 की power minus 3, and from here 10 it is minus 2, 10 की power minus 2 into its value is not 4, I think its value is 2, no? Its value is 2. The value of B is 2. So minus 2 into 2 gives me 10 की power how much? -4. So on solving this, how much we are getting? We are getting 10 की power -7. So this is the value of n2. So now using the equation 1 we can say, ये हमारी equation 1 है, इसको यूज करते हैं. So we have n1 u1 equals to n2 u2. So the value of n1 is, we know 1 and u1 is how much? Urge. It is urge. That means 1 urge equals to n2 की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई है? 10 की पावर -7. We can say how much? Joules. So this is your answer for question number 1 which I have given. Okay, now after this coming to the second question. Second question अच्छा है because थोड़ा वैल्यू में उसने चेंज कर दिया है. So let us see the second question. Second question है 10 की पावर. The second question says me that pressure is given to me. Pressure is 10 की पावर 6. Pressure is given to me. It is 10 की पावर 6 डाइन पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब को कन्वर्ट करना है किसमें? We have to convert this into SI units. SI units में convert करना. Now first of all what we have to do? We have to find out the dimension of pressure. So जो physical quantity है हमारी वो क्या है? Pressure है. So let us find out the dimension of pressure. So pressure की dimension पहले निकालते हैं. So dimension of pressure will be pressure is force upon area. यहाँ पे भी देख के पता चल रहा है force की dimension क्या है? ml t -2 and area की dimension क्या है? It is L2 only. So on solving this we are getting m l -1 and t -2. So from here it is clear that A equals to 1, B equals to how much? -1 and C equals to -2. Okay, now system 1 क्या है आपका? System 1 है, इसमें n1 कितना है? n1 is given to us. It is 10 की पावर 6 and n2 को find out करना है. Okay, n2 we have to find. Now use n1 u1 equals to n2 u2. So the value of n2 निकालना है. So n2 equals to n1 upon u1 upon u2. Now put the value. n1 की वैल्यू कितनी है बच्चे? n1 की वैल्यू है 10 की पावर 6. We have put it, and then m1 upon m2 and की पावर a and L1 upon L2 की पावर b and T1 upon T2 की पावर how much? c. So now put the values रखो. 10 की पावर 6 as it is कॉपी कर लो क्योंकि उसमें तो कोई चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. So we have copied 10 की पावर 6. So यहां पे आ जाओ. m1 m2 क्या करना है? CGS को कन्वर्ट करना है किसमें? SI में. So mass तो it is in grams. So I know कि 10 की पावर -3 kg हो जाएगा ये upon how much? kg. And what is the value of A? The value of A is, we have find it, value of A is 1. So 1 लिख दो यहाँ पर. Then L1 upon L2 कितना हो जाएगा ये? 10 की पावर -2 मीटर upon मीटर. Power how much? The power is -b. So it will be -1. Then we have T. So T में तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. It is second. It is also second. So power is -2. So write -2 here. This gone, and this gone. So we get 10 की पावर 6 and from here into 10 की पावर -3. Okay, and from here 10 की पावर -2 into -1 gives me 10 की पावर 2. So 10 की power 6 and 10 की power 2, 10 की power 8 minus 10 की power 3. So it gives me 10 की power how much? 5 plus का 5. So 10 की power 5. 10 की power 6 into 10 की power minus 3 into 2. 6 plus 2 8. 8 minus from 3 minus from 8 gives me 5. So this is the value of N2. Now come to equation 1. Where is equation we have not made? So this is equation 1. So from equation 1, so N1, N2, N1, U1 equals to N2, U2. So the value of N1 is how much? 10 की power 6. The U1 is dyne per सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू कितना हो जाएगा ये? N2 की वैल्यू 10 की पावर 5 है एंड U2 क्या हो जाएगा? डाइन मीन्स ये डाइन है, फोर्स का यूनिट न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. सो इन दिस वे यू विल कंटिन्यू विथ अदर क्वेश्चंस. ओके, कल एक दो एग्जांपल्स और लेंगे. ओके, बट प्लीज ट्राई, इसको ट्राई करो, अदरवाइज ये नहीं आएगा. इफ यू आर नॉट ट्राइंग सो यू विल नॉट गेट इट. बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं आएगा अगर you are not trying the questions. So please try the questions. Okay, so for today only this much. Thank you very much.